I'm here with another unboxing. This I purchased this from the Succulent Market on Facebook, but it is specifically from Elizabeth. I will put her link down below. I have purchased from her before. She's a very nice person. So let's see. I know what I got, right? But let's see. So she handmade this beautiful card. So talented. Look at that. Thank you. So cute. I like it. And let's see what we have in here. Okay. I have a mess right here, guys. I'll explain this in a later video, what I'm doing with those plants. Try to do this with one hand, guys. This is the first thing I'm unwrapping. It's pretty heavy. I think she might have gave me something a little extra. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is so nice. So this is an imbricata, guys, and she sent me an imbricata because she knows that I lost mine. That is so nice of her. Thank you, Elizabeth. It is beautiful. I can't wait to pop this and baby it like there's no tomorrow. That is beautiful. Thank you so much. So obviously these plants are, and she packed it so well. These plants are without a pot. Prices are good, guys. This is a big aeonium that I purchased. Her prices are really, really good. This is big, and she packed it so well. Look, she individually packed every head of this plant. Okay, so I might have to put the phone down to unwrap it so you guys can see how beautiful and big that is, guys. You see my hand? Look at how beautiful this aeonium is. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Aeoniums are, some of them are pretty sensitive, so their leaves, you know, during packaging, they're always, this is gonna happen to them, but that's okay. It's the bottom leaves, but still beautiful. I wouldn't, probably never find a beautiful plant like this at Home Depot or Lowe's. I doubt it. I've never seen one like this big and beautiful ever. And I think there is one more. Yes. I can't wait to pop these and baby them. I don't know. I don't want to lose any of them. And this is, look how well she packages them. Is this, I don't know, is it an aeonium or another imbricata? The leaves are way, I want to say they're thicker, so I can't tell. I'll have to ask her. Let me look at it, compare it to, yeah, this is different. So, I don't know, I can't tell. I think this is another aeonium, I'm not sure. But it's beautiful, very beautiful, heavy, beautiful leaves. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. I'm going to take care of these so well. And hopefully down the road, guys, you'll see these always in my video because they're going to be my all-stars. They're so pretty. Guys, I'm going to put her info in the description box so you guys can check her so you guys can follow her. And I also told her that she should totally make an Instagram because I feel that she'll have more sales on there. Because I feel that her prices are very good and competitive, guys. Very competitive. So I think she should totally do that. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. I'll put all her info down in the box below. Bye, guys. You guys have a blessed day.